Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on apps over here and tap on these three dots at the top right corner. After that, choose Permission Manager and select one of the options. Like for example, Location. Now select one of your apps, like Maps, and pick one of the options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to this device location. But you can also click on one of your apps, scroll all the way down, choose See all Google's permissions over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!